What if the modern world's obsession with endless growth is quietly making people more stressed, disconnected, and environmentally exhausted? What if more money, more production, more consumption, and more busyness are not automatically creating happier lives? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Less is More by Jason Hickel. This thought-provoking book explores how modern economic systems focused on constant growth affect society, mental well-being, inequality, and the environment, while also questioning whether a healthier and more balanced future is possible. The central message of the book is this: endless economic growth is not always equal to human well-being. Modern culture often teaches consume more, work more, produce more, buy more, and constantly chase more. But according to Jason Hickel, unlimited growth on a limited planet creates imbalance, stress, environmental damage, and inequality. The book introduces the idea that a meaningful life may come more from balance, connection, health, and sustainability than endless consumption. One major lesson from the book is this: material success alone does not guarantee emotional fulfillment. Many people spend years chasing possessions, status, and productivity while still feeling exhausted or disconnected. Focus more on meaningful experiences than constant consumption. Reduce unnecessary comparison and material pressure. Value time, health, and relationships more intentionally. Sometimes simplicity creates more peace. A slower life can sometimes become a healthier life. Another important lesson from the book: the planet has environmental limits. Constant overconsumption and waste create long-term environmental consequences. The book challenges traditional definitions of success. Many people are taught that success means higher income, more possessions, and nonstop growth. But the author suggests real success may also include emotional well-being, meaningful relationships, free time, purpose, and health. More balance can create deeper satisfaction. One of the most powerful lessons from the book is this: reducing unnecessary excess can create more clarity, peace, and freedom. The idea of less is more is not about deprivation. It's about intentional living, healthier priorities, and reducing constant pressure. Simplicity can improve emotional well-being. Less is more reminds us a healthier future may not come from endlessly increasing consumption, but from creating more balance, sustainability, and intentional living. If this message resonated with you, comment "Less is more" below as a reminder to simplify life, protect your peace, and focus on what truly matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in mindfulness, sustainability, emotional well-being, or creating a healthier and more balanced life today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.